Hi, I'm Ty, Head of Development here at RetailRight. Today I'm going to be showing you how to upload a manifest and create items from that manifest. So when you first click the manifest tab here, I'll just redo it. It'll pop up that no manifest exists. You can try uploading one via Excel. You could go ahead and download our template, and this is what that looks like. The bold fields are required, so just a title and a price is required. And then if you have this data, you can put it in there. The images do need to be put in a certain format, so you can either put it comma separated within brackets or just leave it comma separated, or if it's just one, you can just put the one image in there. And then got ASIN, UPC, FNSKU, LPN, MPN, and the expected quantity. So I have a test one that I'm going to use. Test manifest and upload. Manifest items will begin to populate in the manifest tab. So go ahead and just refresh your page. And it auto-selected test manifest since that's our only manifest. And we have our items. And once your items are in here like this, go ahead and just click them. If they have a UPC, it'll go grab more data on it. So now we have more pricing options. Or we can keep our manifest pricing option. And we have all the other data that was in there. So now all we're left to do is just select a classification, condition, and a quantity, and save item. And there you go. That's creating an item from manifest.